A de-esser is a very handy tool for reducing sibilance that naturally occurs in human speech. Sibilant sounds are those harsh S, T, and sh noises that really stick out in a recording and make it unpleasant to listen to. A de-esser works like a compressor, but instead of attenuating the entire signal, it allows you to target and attenuate a certain set of frequencies exactly where sibilance occurs. In its basic mode, the RØDECaster Pro has a great de-esser preset available. But if you're still noticing some sibilance in your voice, you can tweak this processor further using the advanced controls. To access these, ensure Effects Edit mode is enabled in your advanced settings. Then navigate to the audio processing page for the channel that you want to edit, and hit de-esser. Here you'll be presented with 6 parameters: threshold, ratio, attack, release, gain, and frequency. The first step is to find the treble frequencies where sibilance is most present. Everyone's voice is very different, so for you, these frequencies could lie anywhere between 1 kHz to 8 kHz. First, let's adjust our settings so we can target the sibilant frequencies that we want to de-ess. I'm going to set the threshold to about -20 dB, the ratio to 2:1, and then set the attack and release times to about halfway. Now I'll start talking using lots of sibilant words like the sentence "Sally tries to swim near the shore." Sally tried to swim near the shore. Sally tried to swim near the shore. And you can see around about 6 kHz here that those harsh sibilant noises are reduced drastically as that frequency is being compressed by the de-esser. Now that you've found your problem frequency, you can tweak your other settings to taste. I'll leave the ratio set to 2:1 for more subtle compression. The attack and release times can be pulled back just a little bit. And lastly, I'll adjust the threshold to the point I want the de-esser to start working on my voice. Sally tries to swim near the shore. Sally tries to swim near the shore. And you can see around about -24 dB here is a good point for my voice. If you find that the de-esser is acting too slowly in reducing those sibilant frequencies, simply reduce the attack time. Remember, you can use the enable function to check if your adjustments are improving your audio or not. A good habit is to simply talk into the microphone and continuously switch this on and off to clearly hear the difference the de-esser is making on your voice. If you find that the de-esser is over-compressing the clarity and detail in your voice, you can simply adjust the threshold to reduce the amount of de-essing. The undo function in the top left-hand corner will revert your settings to the point at which you first opened the processor. And there you go, a really easy way to remove any harshness from your voice and make it sound smoother and more professional. Happy podcasting.